Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBOT F101 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by opening two of your apps in the background. In my case Chrome and Messages. Now you need to access background apps by clicking on this square button at the bottom left corner and click on the icon of your app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then select Split Top and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!